if it's perhaps a little bit louder even than when I had my accomplished full-on system. I don't really know, but because I need to get used to it, because it's been riding 600 kilometers with a stock one, and that's so silent. Get out because the weather is looking like the forecast is shit. So I got 8 degrees. It sounds like I'm riding a big damn, it's obnoxious. There is a PB kilo to this. I don't really know what that's gonna do. Actually, because it's a straight through pipe, nothing, no metal mesh or anything. So I don't know. I have to try it though. All the decibel counts. Like, I like loud, but it don't have to be idiot. Apparently it's not that loud. It's got a full whack, and I also have my, I wouldn't say winter gloves, but spring, autumn gloves when out touring. I rarely use these. I really like it, and it feels like a little bit more or less safety. But oh, it's damn cold today. It's so freezing. These roads, the suspension settings is getting like down in the modes. Oh, it makes a big difference. It's still bumpy, but